Wow. Good morning. And we are in the morning of Wednesday, the 6th of December. Hi and welcome back to my page. It's a pleasure to have you join me again on one of my YouTubes. You know, my YouTubes are really basically just saying it doesn't have to be a special day. You can make it a special day. So today I'm making it a special day to make a video of me walking my beautiful pet, Puppy and Sevilla. I think I can show you them right there. There's Sevilla, there's Puppy right over there. Puppy always wants to be the leader. She always wants to lead, so go off in her own, and yeah. So anyway, this is our beautiful morning. We are in Mirrabooka. This is a beautiful suburb called Mirrabooka, and this is the reserve, which is Herb Graham Reserve. I have made a video before also, but I just want to say how grateful I am. This morning I'm going to share with you how grateful I am to wake up this morning to a beautiful day. How grateful I am to have beautiful pets, beautiful family, and just families that are just here and in New Zealand and parts of Australia as well, like Sydney, Brisbane and the Gold Coast. And that's basically what I wanted to make this video, was just to say how grateful I am that I woke up this morning and just thought, wow, it's a beautiful day to be out and about, a beautiful day to be alive, actually. A beautiful day just to say how grateful I am for everything that I have right now, for the life I'm living, for the children that I have, for my husband, for my dad, for my siblings. Just grateful for my friends and extended members of the families. And I just think how grateful we are all here. We are all just so blessed. And so this is the only video that I wanted to share this morning, was about how grateful I am this morning to wake up. My cup is full and it's overflowing with joy, happiness and good health, and just everything that I can think of. It's amazing how the good feelings that keep coming to you when you call it, or when you just say how grateful you are. You just need to say that you are grateful, and then the world, just everything around you just starts being so beautiful. And yes, anyway, so this video is about how grateful I am to where I am and to what I have. And so I've been listening also to some really good motivational videos online. And one of the main ones was just reminding me to be grateful. So that's what I wanted to share, how grateful I am that I can get out and walk around with my pets. How grateful I am that I can share this with people that come onto my YouTube videos. How grateful I am for just the little things that I have. And thank you. I just want to thank you for my YouTube followers also. I want to say thank you because I don't get to say that enough, I don't think. And so I'm making this video while I'm walking my dogs, and they're just trying to take charge and take off. But yeah, so basically today is a day to be thankful. Every day is a day to be thankful. I think I'm going to wake up and make a video and just say I'm so grateful to be here. I'm so grateful that every morning I wake up, I go into my wardrobe and see, what can I wear today? But I wear all these things. I wear love, I wear joyfulness, I wear compassionate, I wear wealth, I wear love, I wear forgiveness, and gratefulness, I think, is the biggest one. So how grateful are you? And how grateful I am that we are here, where we are, wherever we are in this world. We should just be grateful and thankful. And that's what my YouTube is about. It doesn't have to be a great I don't have to edit anything on it. It's just the way it is. So thank you again for being coming along and just watching some of my hilarious videos that I make. Not so good at editing them, but just bringing it to you raw and live as it is. There you go. Okay, this is Lily, and thank you again for joining me with my video. Be grateful for everything that you have, even the little things. Cheers for now. Have a great day. We'll see you again on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my page. Join any of the links that I've also put through with all the crypto mining as well. Get into some investment. It'll be great for you. Cheers for now. Bye.